that time again. Let's make some fresh homemade bread. Today we're going to make some bread with a little prettiness, something that will just be eye-catching. So what we're going to do, we're going to make some nut bread and we're going to make a loaf, alright? We proof our yeast, knead our flour, and we put it to rise. Once that is rise, we're going to cut it out. But before we cut it out, we're going to flatten it out, and I'm going to put some butter there so the bread will be nice and buttery and fluffy. Oh my gosh. So once that is finished, we are going to roll it into the customary log shape, and then I'm going to cut it in half. So I did this with the whole dough because remember I said I'm going to make some nut bread. But I wanted butter in the center of all the bread, so that's why I did that. So once I add my butter to the surface of the flour there, I'm going to roll in a log shape, cut it in half, put one half in a loaf pan, put that to rise, and then I'm going to make my nut bread. And I am going to add an egg wash and put some sesame seed mixed with some chia seeds, and I'm going to bake that at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, and then we're going to glaze with some butter. So what I did, I rolled two little pieces in a log shape and then twist it. Then I'm twisting it on the inside after making that rope shape, and that's how I made that design. And as I said, I let it rest after I put all of the seeds and stuff on it. And once it's doubled in size, I baked, as I mentioned, for 30 minutes. Nice and spongy. That extra butter adds so much of sponginess.